Most people think cash advance apps like Dave work exactly like traditional payday loans. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Not paying Dave back can still create serious financial problems, even if it feels less aggressive than a normal lender. In this video, I'll explain exactly what happens if you don't repay a Dave app advance in 2026, what consequences users actually face, and the smartest way to avoid getting trapped in a dangerous borrowing cycle. Let's start with the biggest misunderstanding right away. Dave cash advances are not the same as traditional bank loans. The app usually connects directly to your bank account and expects repayment automatically when your next deposit arrives. For example, Jake borrows $100 through Dave before payday. When his paycheck hits his account, Dave attempts to collect the repayment automatically. Sounds simple enough. But here's the problem. If there's not enough money in your account, things can get complicated quickly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike some traditional lenders, Dave may not immediately send someone after you aggressively for one missed repayment. But unpaid balances can still affect your access to the app in future advances. For example, Alex misses repayment because his paycheck was smaller than expected. Dave may temporarily freeze his ability to borrow again until the balance gets resolved. And that's just the beginning. This is where most people fail. They ignore the issue completely instead of communicating or fixing it early. Missed repayments can sometimes lead to repeated withdrawal attempts from your linked bank account. If your account balance stays too low, you could risk overdraft fees from your bank, depending on your account settings. That's the hidden danger many users overlook. In a minute, I'll explain the worst-case scenario most people never think about. First, understand this. Repeated non-payment may eventually lead to account restrictions, collections activity, in some situations, or loss of access to Dave services entirely. Policies can change over time, and financial apps are becoming stricter about repayment behavior in 2026. And here's another important detail. Your banking history matters. Many cash advance apps track repayment behavior internally. If you consistently fail to repay advances, it may reduce your eligibility, not just with Dave, but potentially with similar financial services connected through banking activity analysis. Now let's talk about the smartest solution. If repayment is becoming difficult, don't ignore the app. Review your upcoming deposits, reduce unnecessary spending temporarily, and contact support if needed before the repayment situation gets worse. For example, John realizes his rent payment and Dave repayment will hit during the same week. Instead of taking another advance elsewhere, he adjusts his spending early to avoid deeper financial pressure later. That small decision can prevent a much bigger problem. And here's something many users don't realize. Constantly relying on cash advances every paycheck cycle often creates a dangerous loop, where repayment leaves you short again immediately. So what happens if you don't pay Dave back in 2026? At minimum, you risk losing access to advances and triggering repayment problems with your bank account. In more serious situations, unresolved balances may create larger financial consequences over time. The key is treating cash advances like temporary emergency tools, not permanent income replacements. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe and comment below with your experience using cash advance apps. And stay tuned, because next we're breaking down the safest alternatives to payday loans in 2026.